We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Everyone, this is Cam Jones with Auxiliary Analysis, and we are marking up GBP, JPY. Take a look at what's going on in the market. Price action. Last candle in the market to the right hand side is a bullish candle, so price look like it's trying to work its way up. We're going to identify overall areas of price action, higher high. We have price action, lower lows. We have the midpoint in the middle. And we can see that price just broke above second level lows. Zoom into price to see what's going on. So we have a formation at the area of price. So far we do see that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg retest. The market did the push so far. So we're waiting for the closeout with this price action candle for market to break and retest or push up further, retest and keep working its way up. So price action is coming from an area of structure. There's multiple pushes down to the bottom overall. We want to just pay attention to what pushed that market up exactly, which was that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. So we said W formation, market pushed out. So first, second, third, fourth. This is the retest, market push once, retest, market push twice, retest, market push third time. So it can push one more time, create some momentum, and then push up again. If not, market's coming back down. So down to the weekly time frame. Price action on the weekly time frame is a doji, spike up to the high of resistance. So price could be dropping back down unless we receive a engulfing candle that's going to engulf this previous area, close out to push that market up. See that W formation in that area for that first leg, second leg, market came out for that third, market pushing up for that fourth. So we did get the break of that previous area. Price action candles push up to a top, so we don't know if that market's going to come back down for the retest of the W. We don't know how far it can come as far as the SR line that we see. It retests, the market could push up. If not, market's coming from the areas of resistance. So that first leg, second leg, third leg, and market pushes down, breaks that SR line. So that will be the midpoint, retest and work its way down further. Headed down to the daily time frame. Price action in the daily time frame is a bullish candle. So let's take a look at what's going on in this area. So we do know price action candle, last candle in the market is a bullish. Price is coming from that area of resistance. Fourth to last candle in the market is a resistance of a push up. So market tapped that area of resistance and now it's coming down. We don't know how far it's going to come down, but we'll think about it as creating that midpoint of price action highs, price action lower lows. And we have that midpoint in the middle. So price can return back to this area here. So that will be the market breaking, coming back down to retest. It can push up. So it can drop as low as here. If it drops down further, that market definitely better head down to the SR line. If it breaks the SR line, can break and retest and work its way down further. So figuring out structure. We do have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, and markets bullish candle, so it can be coming back to that retest of that midpoint of that area, and the market could push down. So price action will be coming from an overall top or head and shoulders pattern. If we do see that market pushes up, it will be respected at this area and maybe draw it out for the first leg. Something happened here, so it's some type of leg support. So breaks, retest, break, retest. Market pushed up to a high. We have a double top in that area. So this will be the area that market will form that structure. So this market can tap down for a single bottom and then push right back up, or it can form a double bottom in this area, push back up, or maybe triple bottom. But so far, what we identify as most of the time is double bottoms, or maybe a single bottom for that market to push up from that area. Price action on the 4-hour time frame is a bearish candle, so price is trying to work its way down, but it didn't close out to engulf the previous area candle to push that market down. So this market is going to push down. We're going to look for that bearish candle to close out on this side to push that market down. Price action may have to close below the seventh candle in the market, so we may have to get a huge bearish candle with multiple candles going to close out this area here to push that market down. So if that area is respected, it's going to be respected for that W that's forming for that incline, which will be the first leg, second leg, third leg. Market pushed up for that fourth. We got the retest. Once we see the engulfing pattern here, market is respected, and we'll see that market push up. Get it down to the 3-hour time frame. Price action on the 3-hour time frame is a bullish candle. The second last candle is a doji, so that's identifying that that market did run into a resistance not once with the second last candle, but it happened again with the fifth to last candle and sixth to last candle. So what can be drawn out for that market to push down is the first leg, second leg, third leg, market push down for that fourth. So we look for like a double top in that area, unless we have receive a green candle that's going to go off this area here. Market pushes up. The market push up will be identifying the first leg, second leg, third leg, and market push up for that fourth. We'll receive the break, the retest. The market's working its way up. Headed down to the 2. On a 2-hour time frame, we got a bullish candle, small in size, side by side with the second last candle, third to last candle. So that area is an area of consolidation. So that market bounces up and down. We'll probably see more as we walk down the structure. Then down to the 1-hour time frame. We do see the break and retest on this area is expected. So let's draw out what we see. So we could be coming for that first leg. Let's look at it overall. So first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. We look for that pattern identify itself here. We look for this green candle engulf previous red one. It's going to push that market down. We'll be coming from a triple bottom of that area. That price is going to push down from that area. It's running into that area of resistance, which will identify the first, second, third market push down. So currently, so looking at this market is at that midpoint. So that's first, second, third. Now, so market breaks the midpoint. We look for the retest. The market work its way down. So it'll be coming from a double top and a retest or triple top. Headed down to the 45-minute. On the 45-minute, price action is a bullish candle, so price is trying to work its way up. May have, if the price closes out with this candle, this market could push up, but still not enough for the market to push up all the way, because if it closes out like this on the 45-minute time frame, price action and second last candle are both dojis. Okay, we got a solid candle bullish so far, so we don't know what it's going to close out with until the 45 minutes is up. 45-minute, 30 minutes identifying the same thing, headed down to the 15-minute also as well. Price action is trying to engulf the previous candle on the 45 to 30 to 15. Now headed down to the 5. Price is pushing up. If we get that close out, price the second last candle, market could push up. If not, market may come down because it could be running into area resistance. So we're going to see that market if market is pushing up, we're going to see this going to close out. Headed down to the 3. And we get an area of support here. No, never mind. Just switch over to a doji. So market so far look like it's pushing. We did receive that break. So this candle price action candle is a break of that SR line. So we should be looking for a break and retest. Maybe push up a little more and retest and work its way up further. Headed down to the 1-minute time frame. We just received that engulfing pattern. So market is working its way up on this lower time frame, as we can see now. Hey guys, very important information. Please study and review Forex pattern cheat sheet. Please study and review breakout retest strategy. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, Auxiliary Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. GBP, JPY.